In question 6, the points A and B have coordinates 8, 3 and P, Q respectively. The equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB is y equals to minus 2x plus 4. We have to find the values of P and Q. Now let's assume that we have a line A and B. The coordinates of A are 8, 3 and the coordinates of B are P, Q. The perpendicular bisector will pass exactly through the midpoint, and from the equation, which is y equals to minus 2x plus 4, the gradient of the perpendicular bisector, we can see it is minus 2. As the two lines are perpendicular, it means that the gradient of AB will be a negative reciprocal. So we can say that the gradient of AB will be a positive 1 upon 2. In the first step, we can make the equation for the line AB. And if we can find this midpoint, then using the midpoint formula, we'll be able to find the value of P and Q. So the equation of the line AB will be y minus y1. So we have the point 8, 3. So this will be y minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 into x minus 8. We can write this equation as y is equals to 1 upon 2x minus 8 upon 2, which is 4 plus 3. And simplify it to write it as y equals to 1 upon 2x minus 1. Now to find this midpoint or the point of intersection, we'll solve the two equation, the equation of AB and the equation of perpendicular bisector simultaneously. So the equation of the perpendicular bisector was y equals to minus 2x plus 4, and the equation of the line was y equals to half x plus minus 1. Solving them simultaneously, we'll first take the LCM. So this will become minus 2x plus 4 is equals to x minus 2 upon 2. Cross multiplying, we'll get minus 4x plus 8 is equals to x minus 2. Taking the x on this side, we'll get minus 4x minus x is equals to minus 2 minus 8. Minus 5x will be equals to minus 10, and x will be equals to positive 2. Once we have the value of x is 2, we can find the y value. Substituting x equals to 2 into this equation, we'll get 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So the y value will be equals to 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. So 2 comma 0 will be the midpoint. Now once we have the midpoint, which have coordinates 2 comma 0, we can now apply the midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now the midpoint over here is already given to us, which is 2 comma 0, and the point P and Q is unknown. So we can write this as 2 comma 0 will be equals to 8 plus the x2 value will be P upon 2 comma, we can write it as 3 plus y3 plus Q upon 2, as the y2 value is Q. So we can now equate 2 with 8 plus P upon 2. So this will become 8 plus P upon 2 is equals to 2. Cross multiplying, 8 plus P will be equals to 4 and P will be equals to minus 4. And to find the value of Q, we will equate 0 is equals to 3 plus Q upon 2. So 0 equals to 3 plus Q upon 2. This will become 3 plus Q equals to 0, and Q will be equals to minus 3.